How to start generating passive income. Passive income, or unearned income, as it's classified by the Internal Revenue Service, is defined as pay that requires negligible work to produce and keep up with, coming from someplace other than a conventional boss. Passive income is earnings from a rental property, limited partnership, or other business in which a person is not actively involved. This implies a sort of set it and forget it mentality that can take place among these investments. Passive income is important because it creates stability, security, and freedom in your financial life. But first, you have to understand this. Passive income is never really passive. Although it's touted as easy money, most sources of passive income are the result of hard work, building an audience, delivering a quality experience, and a quality product. The money you earn with little effort is known as passive income, and it's important because it helps you achieve financial freedom. In this video, we'll talk about how you can earn passive income. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Number 1. Stocks. Owning stocks is one of the most frequent ways to generate passive income. This mid/long-term strategy thrives as companies grow over time, allowing investors to participate through dividends payouts or growth. Examples of companies: Apple, Best Buy, Verizon, Intel, AT&T. Number 2. Forex. Trading foreign exchange on the currency market, also called trading Forex, can be an undeniably exhilarating side interest and an extraordinary kind of revenue. To place it into viewpoint, the protections market exchanges about $22.4 billion every day. The Forex market exchanges about $5 trillion every day. You can exchange Forex online in more ways than one. More risky short-term strategies could also generate additional resources based on market volatility. An example is investing in Forex currencies to predict future value, upwards/downwards, based on current market conditions. Example: EUR/USD currency pair has declined 8.7% this year. Number 3. Art. We do not have to own millions to invest in art anymore. True, Picasso's or Cézanne's paintings are still worth millions, but we can access this market without ruining our portfolio. For example, masterworks allow investors to own a share of an artwork that will appreciate over time. One of the most direct ways to sell art online and make money is with print versions of your drawings or illustrations. This can be in the form of posters, mounted canvas, or photos. In general, prints can go anywhere from $40 USD to around $300. You can sell your art prints through several platforms, but the most famous platforms are an Etsy shop, Society6, Shopify, and Saatchi Art. Number 4. Real estate properties. Real estate is a form of real property, meaning that it is something you own that is attached to a piece of land. It very well may be utilized for private, business, or modern purposes. REITs, real estate investment trusts, allow you to invest in real estate without physical real estate. REITs tend to pay high dividends, making them a typical retirement investment. Investors who don't need or want regular income can automatically reinvest those dividends to grow their investment further. Number 5. AIRM. AIRM, as in Air Bed and Breakfast, is a service that lets property owners rent out their spaces to travelers looking for a place to stay. Voyagers and travelers can lease a space for various individuals to share, a common space with private rooms, or the whole property for themselves. If you have an available room in prominent locations or exotic destinations, even better, you can make thousands a month due to the increasing demand for accommodations worldwide. Number 6. Freelancing service. A freelancer is an independent contractor who earns wages on a per-job or per-task basis, typically for short-term work. Advantages of outsourcing incorporate the opportunity to telecommute or from a forward-thinking work area, an adaptable plan for getting work done, and a superior balance between fun and serious activities. Whether you are a tech expert, designer, or writer, there are many projects for freelance professionals. And with so many categories of freelance jobs to choose from, There's no reason you shouldn't find something to match your skills. So why not try it out? Check Upwork or Fiverr for inspiration. Another popular passive income stream originates from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, etc. Today, many people make millions a year on a laptop or phone by creating content on platforms such as YouTube or TikTok. Others are publishing an ebook or online courses that reach millions, offering services to companies looking for support to take their business forward or investing in stocks. For ordinary people, after get off work, in addition to developing sideline businesses to generate income, they can also obtain certain income by purchasing financial products. Of course, factors such as risk and time period must also be considered. This type of passive income includes a very wide range. Overall, the options are more extensive than ever, so why not jump on that train and generate additional revenues? So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video on financial education for you soon. Take care until then.